Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is a pre-algebra class, lecture 28. In this lecture, we will explain some rule and also we will solve question about this rule. Here is three rule. First one, n root of a into n root of b is equal to n root of a into b. If the radical have same index, then we write one of them and multiply radicals together, a multiplied by b. If the index of radical are different, then we multiply both index. Here we take a new radicals and a to the power n multiplied by the index of another root p, n multiplied by p, plus that the exponent of second base k multiplied by the root of the index of another root k multiplied by m. If we have like this division rule, in division rule n root of a divided by n root of b, it is equal to, we can write one root with n index n root of a, and we divide both radical a divided by b. Now here is 7 question. We want to use this rule and solve this question. First one, question 1. In question 1, we have third root of x multiplied by third root of y. It is equal to, it match to the first rule. Then we can write third root of x multiplied by y. Second question, we have third root of minus 8 point multiplied, it's not point, multiplied by 27. It is equal to, we can write separately minus 8 multiplied by third root of 27. It is equal to minus 3 minus 2. Third root of minus 8 is minus 2 multiplied by third root of 27 is 3. It is equal to minus 6. Question number 3. We use this rule. Then we solve that question. Fifth root of 2 multiplied by fourth root of x cubed. It is equal to, we write one root multiply index 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Here we have 2 to the power, the exponent of 2 is 1 multiplied by 4 to the power 4, x to the power 3 multiplied by 5. It is equal to 20 root of to the power 4 is 16 multiplied by x to the power 3 multiplied by 5, 15. It is the answer. Fourth one, it is fourth one. Square root of 3 multiplied by third root of 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2. It is equal to 6th root of 3 to the power is 27 multiplied by 4. It is equal to 6th root of, if we multiply 27 by 4, 4 multiplied by 7, 8, 28. 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 108. Number 5. We have fifth root of 16 multiplied by square root of 2. It is equal to 5 multiplied by to 10. 16 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 5. It is equal to 10 root of 256 multiplied by 32. We multiply these two, then write the product of these two numbers. It was question 5. Question 6. Question 6, fourth root of 2 over fourth root of 32. It is equal to, we take 1 root 2 over 32. It is equal to fourth root of 1 over 32. It is equal to 16. When we cancel 2 by 32, we get 1 over 16. The fourth root of 1 is 1. The fourth root of 16 is 2. 1 over 2. Number 7. We have fourth root of 16 over 81. It is equal to fourth root of 16 over fourth root of 81. It is equal to fourth root of 16 is 2. Fourth root of 81 is 3. 2 over 3. It was the class of 28, which we have 3 rules. Then we solve this question according to this rule. Thank you.